Hey guys, I just wanted to come and state that for those of you who watch my bed bug videos, I have a playlist of over 64 videos. Also, I add to this playlist on a regular basis. So it would be best if you subscribe to the channel if you're not, because it's always something different. I do a lot of different research on different methods, like ways to get rid of them, ways to put the powder down, or Crossfire, and something new I just came across, Eco Raider, herbs, peppermint herbs, and things like that. But regularly I'm adding to the channel, and things that I may have said in previous videos, I still use, but there are new products that are coming about that I suggest for different situations. So it would be good for you and best that you, if you're not subscribed to the channel, to subscribe so you can always get the newest content that come out. Things change all the time. Nothing stays the same. Products are good. Diatomaceous still work better than ever. That's still my say-all-be-all product. But in every case, it might not be the best thing to always use. All dependent on the situation. So again, I upload videos regularly, over 60 videos, and more probably to come, I'm sure, as this bed bug epidemic gets worse and worse for us. So just wanted to come back and say that. So yeah, just look forward to seeing other videos. And if you have questions on things that I have not already spoke on, go through the playlist, look at the titles, see what applied to you, watch it. If you go through the playlist and you don't see something, I don't know how you won't, but if you don't see something that I've already spoke on, feel free to ask the question in the comment section and I will answer to the best of my abilities. Okay guys, I'll see you on the next video.